Jeff Forrester, P52-132, here, we got both defendant, plaintiff.
Interview all on behalf of the plaintiff, Tower Construction. My P number is 43751. Plaintiff has made the decision to dismiss with prejudice this cause of action.
Okay, are you guys going to submit a stip in order to dismiss with prejudice? All right, good enough. Case settled, and your client agrees to that?
Yeah, I have authority to speak on his behalf.
And your client agrees to that?
She does reluctantly, Your Honor.
Well, wait a minute, was there a counterclaim?
There was no counterclaim. It was, the case, the basis of the case was that, he didn't get, or he spent money on materials for the project, and there was never a receipt issued anywhere, never any proof of that.
You guys want to go down the hall? Can you print out a stip in order to dismiss with prejudice? I can sign it right now, Jennifer, if there's a problem.
I can just print up a dismissal, yes.
Yeah, and you guys sign that.
Okay.
But your client is happy with this, right?
It's gone.
I mean, they were getting sued. You were representing both parties, right? Loretta and Pauline? Well, they were getting sued and they just won, right? I mean, if it's getting dismissed, or am I missing something?
No.
Have a good day, guys. Sorry to keep you so long. Thank you. Velocity versus Griffin. Do I have Velocity versus Griffin here? Is anybody here for Velocity versus Griffin?
Just curious.
Robert? I don't have any.
It's
Plaintiff's not Griffin.
What's that?
Is it Velocity MRS fund?
No, it's Velocity Investments LLC. Is Mr. Fikens out there? Mr. Stolman out there?
I don't have either party on that, Your Honor.
Well, did they?
Before we dive in, just a quick note. This commentary is created for educational purposes, designed to help those who may be confused or curious about courtroom processes. If you don't find it helpful, feel free to skip ahead. But for those who want a deeper understanding, stay tuned. It's about to get intense. All right, here's what's unfolding. Multiple cases, rapid-fire rulings, and a judge who clearly doesn't have time for nonsense. We've already seen a case dismissed with prejudice, meaning it's permanently closed, no second chances. But now things are about to shift. We're moving into small claims disputes where paperwork, proof, and credibility are everything. Watch closely, because in this courtroom, if you don't show up prepared, you don't just lose, you get steamrolled. And trust me, one of these cases is about to spiral into a full-blown credibility showdown.
I'll look into it.
Please do. All right. Who do I have left here? Is Deborah Treelor here? Is Brooks Landscaping and Daniel Brooks here? What's your name?
Andrew,
Andrew what?
right.
Is Mr. Mohammed Salman here?
He is, sir.
Come on up here. I'm going to take this one quick. It'll only take a second. I know you guys been patient. My apologies. I'll take you as quick as I can. Andrew Rahim versus Mohammed Salman, 2505286. Your name?
Andrew Rahim.
How you doing? I'm sorry to keep you all waiting here. Sometimes you don't know how long these are going to go. Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear affirm under penalties of perjury the testimony you give in these proceedings will be the whole true self you got.
Yes.
Did you sell this defendant tools that he didn't pay you for?
Yes.
And was the invoice to him
Yes.
for that amount of $403,555?
Yes.
Why do you guys do that? I don't get it. Why don't you just make him pay you with 2/3 of it or a half of it anyway?
So it started a long time ago. So Snap-on's,
What's that?
so how Snap-on works is during the Great Depression, they found out that they would sell more tools when they could front them to people to use them to make money on. And the business pretty much stayed that way until even until currently.
You're kidding.
This right here is a textbook example of a default judgment, and it's brutal. The defendant didn't show up, which legally hands the advantage straight to the plaintiff. No defense, no argument, no second side of the story. The judge isn't debating facts anymore. He's simply verifying the claim and awarding the amount. And notice the judge's reaction. He's not just ruling, he's calling out the behavior. Taking goods or services and refusing to pay? Courts take that seriously. Now, here's a question for you. Do you think it's fair to automatically lose your case just for not showing up, or should there be more leniency? Let me know what you think.
Well, I'm going to go ahead and give you a default. I mean, maybe there's something I don't know about that industry, but I'll go ahead and you win. I'm sorry you have to go through this. I think it's horrible when people take products or services and then don't pay for them. 403555. You have 70 plus 18. You have $88 in fees. Did you have to have them personally served? No, you did not, did you? So you got 403555 plus 88, which is 412355. You are all set. I've got your judgment prepared. For the record, this was scheduled for 10:30 and it is now 11:40. Have a great day. Go down the hall, they'll give you a copy of the judgment form for your records.
Okay.
All right. Treelor versus Brooks Landscaping. Deborah Treelor versus Brooks Landscaping and Daniel Brooks, 2503785. Your name, sir?
Daniel Brooks.
I hope you brought somebody with you, ma'am. You're limping there. You're free to have a seat right there. You want to have a seat?
No, fine.
Well, I mean, it looks like you're limping. I don't need you to stand up.
No.
Okay. I mean, you're more than welcome. If you change your mind, let me know. Tell me your name
Deborah Treelor.
and your name again.
Daniel Brooks.
I told you to bring the company who did the work, First Choice Home Improvement.
No.
What happened?
I apologized to Mr. Brooks a little earlier. He's having difficulty with health issues. He's been in the hospital with pneumonia. He's had surgery. And I was wondering if the court could possibly make another court date.
Gosh, why didn't you call him before so we didn't have to?
I didn't know about it until last night. I apologize.
No, don't apologize to me. I'm here anyway. I gave you a lot of time. I wish you would have called.
He had his surgery and
Okay, fair enough. I'll adjourn it for you.
voicemail.
No, it's fine. How long till he'll be mobile?
He just got out of the hospital.
Well, do you have any idea? I don't know. I don't want to know. I don't need you advertised here what he's kind of
Should
surgery.
call him in a couple weeks, see about getting his statement.
No, I want to make, he can appear by Zoom. You don't have a problem if he appears by Zoom, right?
I can ask him.
Yeah, let him appear by Zoom. Adjourn for 1 month. Get me any documentation. Let's do this around March the 16th, or am I on report on this one too? I am, aren't I? It's all right. Give me a new date, Jennifer. Give me them after I get back.
In March, we can do the 24th.
Do I have something a little earlier? How about that 17th date or not?
Yeah, that's in the afternoon.
Let's do this at 1 p.m. on that date. Is that good?
That,
Or do I have some-
you've got some pre-trials. Hold on one moment, please. You've got some pre-trials, Judge. So could we do 1:45?
You know, that's St. Patrick's Day. So
I know.
we'll do 1:45. Okay. 1:45, March 17th. The witness can appear by Zoom. Now listen, do you have his phone number?
Yes, sir.
Do you have her phone number?
Yes.
Well, if something comes up, you call us. I don't want people having to sit around here. I feel horrible that you guys will wait. If I'd have known this, I would have called you an hour ago. You've been sitting in here for an hour. So if something happens and he can't make it, let us know. Call him. You guys can agree and we'll figure out a way to make it clear so we can adjourn the thing. Okay, I don't want to have to adjourn it again. I'm only so
Sorry.
you're fine. It's okay. Things happen in life.
I'm-
Good luck. Thank you. You guys can't try to work this out though, huh?
Thank goodness the roads were going to stand.
Jeez, I'm sorry. I'd have known we'd have let you appear by Zoom. Your name?
Christine Walsh.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear affirm and the penalties of perjury with the testimony you'll give in these proceedings will be the whole truth so help you God.
Yes.
All right, so what happened? Did you do some advertising for this fence company and then they didn't pay your invoice?
Exactly.
And was the total amount of the invoice 1905?
The total amount was 2205. He paid 300 of that, so the outstanding balance is the 1905.
And you still had a filing fee in this case of $70. You paid another certified fee of 18 for a total of 88. And they signed the certified mail receipt, correct?
Correct.
So that's the only out-of-pocket that you have?
Yes.
So the total judgment I'm getting is 1993, correct?
Correct.
I gave him 15 minutes. It's now 9:15. Defendant didn't show. I'm going to go ahead and grant default judgment in your favor. I would send them the judgment and wait 21 days, and then you can figure out whether they're going to pay it, or else you can go about collection proceedings. Okay, ma'am? You ever been through this
I
process?
have not.
It's not fun, but hopefully they'll pay it. If they don't pay it, then you can subpoena them for a creditor's exam. If you know where they bank, you can garnish wages, bank accounts of the defendant company. It's Maverick Fence, so you got to be careful. You can subpoena the principal of Maverick Fence, like the president.
Yep.
Okay, for a creditor's exam here at the court if they don't pay it. All right?
Okay. So after 21 days, if there is no response, what is my next step? To call back here?
Well, you're going to have to kind of figure this out on your own. We can't really give legal advice, but you can subpoena the president for a creditor's exam here at the courthouse, and I'll let her appear by Zoom, Jennifer. I'll let them appear by Zoom.
Okay, no problem.
And if we get anybody, I know on small claims generally that I don't allow them to appear by Zoom because they always have documents, it seems, but if somebody's this far away and you want to give me a heads up, I'll look at the file and tell you.
Okay.
So yeah, you can subpoena him. You can ask him to bring, you can go online and see a lot of this, tax
Yeah.
returns, where they bank,
Okay.
etc.
Yeah, Judge, if they use MichiganLegalHelp.org, it does a lot of the question and answers on this stuff.
Okay? MichiganLegalHelp.org. And you can go down the hall. We're going to give you a copy of the judgment. All right?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a great day. Have a safe trip. All right. Is anybody ready on Capital One versus Miller?
She's on the phone still. They're getting someone on ASAP. Miss Miller is here. I do have both parties on. You have the parties in the courtroom. Miss Hernandez on that case is in Zoom.
Well, yeah, we got the plaintiff.
Well, this is Capital One versus Miller.
No. The parties that are in the
9:30.
courtroom at 9:30.
Okay.
I have the defendant on Zoom.
Leslie Bolzajor versus Cynthia Hernandez, 2504922.
Right here, man. Yeah, the phone.
Boy, you didn't do a very good job on this, ma'am. You can't be doing this. Your name?
Leslie Bolsejor.
Your name.
Cynthia Hernandez.
Why don't you come up here? I want you guys to resolve this. Did you buy a car from her?
Yes.
Did you
It's
stop
paid
making?
for. I have the title.
Hang on. Did you stop making the payments?
No, the car is paid for in full.
Is that true? Did she pay for it in full?
No, Your Honor. In the contract, it states.
Do you have a security agreement? Did I didn't sign was concerned about this. You didn't have a security agreement, did you?
No, like my name was supposed to be on the title.
You guys, you try to be your own lawyers. It'd be like me. I don't care if she was your friend, not your friend. You guys can't do things like this. This was a recipe for a disaster. Your name's supposed to be on the title of somebody else. When they're driving, you don't know if it's insured. They get in an accident, you get sued. You probably aren't going to have insurance on it. They're going to be coming after you. Ms. Hernandez,
Yes.
did she pay the payments?
No,
Good. Then
it was the last payment to be made on March 1st.
well, what if she paid in advance? Did she pay in advance?
Two $500 payments.
Did you pay more than two $500 payments, Ms. Hernandez? Don't lie to me, because I'm going to get to the bottom of this. Listen to
Yes,
me very
I
quickly.
paid two on the day at the Secretary of
I
State.
didn't ask you that. Hang on a second. I want to be clear.
Okay.
I don't want anybody lying to me. And I'm going to find out who's lying. If she's saying it's not paid and you're saying it is paid, one of you are lying to me. So if you want to come up here with all your documentation and I'll try to resolve this for you guys right now, that would be fantastic.
On September 12th.
Hang on. I didn't say that. I didn't say anything here. Why don't you get dressed and come on up here? You live on Riverside, right?
Yes.
It's only a 6-8 minute drive at best. Bring all your documentation that tells me that you've paid for the car. How much do you think is owed?
2,000
How did she pay on the first two payments?
cash.
Nice.
Right.
Really good.
We were
Really,
together. She was living in my house.
really, really, really good. Did you give her a receipt?
Well, I wrote
Did you give her a receipt?
I wrote in this book.
Did you give her a receipt?
No, you're
You
on.
guys, you know what? I mean, bring all your documentation up here right now, Ms. Hernandez. So you guys, she was supposed to put keep your name on the title, huh? Did you sign did you sign the title over?
I did.
Why did you sign the title over before you? It'd be like you tell me you're going to buy my house and I sign, hang on, blah. Well, then you should have talked to a lawyer. That's what they do.
Right.
That's what they do. I never sold it before. Come on up here, Ms. Hernandez. We're resolving this morning. Get yourself dressed. She's going to wait, and you come on up here. How long will it take you?
Say, I don't know, 40 minutes.
I'll see you about 10 o'clock. Don't hurry. Don't rush. I don't want you getting in an accident.
Right,
Take
right.
your time.
Okay.
I hope you're never going to do something like this again.
Absolutely not. It's unfortunate.
This pains me to see this. It really does. I know it's only $2,000, but $2,000 is a lot of money. Bring all your documentation that shows me she paid you. You paid her. If you took cash out, you can go to the bank.
I had
Wait.
cash.
Wait,
I-
ma'am, Ms. Hernandez, I'm going to find out who's lying to me. It doesn't matter to me who's lying. I'm going to, ma'am.
With that too.
Ma'am, I'm going to find out who's lying. You guys just make this hard when you do this, like with a handshake.
My mistake.
You didn't make a mistake. You don't have to apologize to me. You might be out it's your burden of proof here. But I can tell somebody's lying, and I'm going to tell you who it is when we get here. Bring all your documentation, Ms. Hernandez, okay? That tells me that you paid this. Guys, I mean, you say you have a security, you filed a pleading saying you have a security agreement. Do you know what a security agreement is?
I was going by what
The
the
bank-
lawyer told me to write down.
Don't tell me what the lawyer told you. That's between you two. If I went to a bank or I went to a dealership and bought a car, that's when I will execute a security agreement. I doubt that you had her execute a security agreement.
No.
Why'd you allege it in the complaint? Shh. Give me all your documentation. Did you ever sign a note at least?
We had this agreement that I gave you a copy. You should have a copy of our, contract.
Okay.
And she resigned for the 2 payments that she did give me.
She signed?
She signed, yeah. The 2 payments, one on,
Oh, man, that's kind of telling, Ms. Hernandez.
and it says in the
You
contract,
guys come up here. Come on, get dressed. Come on up here. But I'm telling you, I'm going to have you guys under oath and I'm going to resolve this today. And you guys are you're going to be honest with me because I'm going to find out who's lying to me. Okay? I'll see you whenever you get here, Ms. Hernandez. Unless you guys want me to adjourn this for a week or so, I'll be happy to do that.
Well, I'm volunteering today where I live.
Where do you live on Riverside? What do you mean you're
Yeah.
volunteering?
At the towers where I live.
Ms. Hernandez,
Yes.
why don't I do this? What do I have tomorrow, Jennifer?
Tomorrow is the 11th. You have Brownstown and Groseal reps. So let me see.
It's easy. All right, 8:30 in the morning. Can you be here tomorrow, Ms. Hernandez?
Yes.
Can you be here tomorrow at 8:30?
yes.
We're starting at 8:30. Do I have sentencings on that docket tomorrow?
Let's break this all down. What we just witnessed is a perfect snapshot of how small claims court operates. Cases can be resolved in minutes, but the outcome hinges on one thing: evidence and preparation. We saw a default judgment where absence meant automatic loss, a payment dispute where documentation determined everything, and finally, a chaotic car sale situation where both parties made critical legal mistakes: no receipts, no formal agreements, and no protection. The judge made one thing crystal clear: informal deals and handshake agreements can quickly turn into legal disasters. Without a security agreement, receipts, or proper title handling, both parties are exposed, and now credibility will decide who wins. This case isn't just about money, it's about accountability, proof, and understanding basic legal protections. So, who do you think is telling the truth in that final dispute? And more importantly, what would you have done differently?
Volunteering.
At the towers where I live.
Ms. Hernandez,
Yes.
why don't I do this? What do I have tomorrow, Jennifer?
Tomorrow is the 11th. You have Brownstown and Groseal reps. So let me see.
It's easy. All right, 8:30 in the morning. Can you be here tomorrow, Ms. Hernandez?
Yes.
Can you be here tomorrow at 8:30?
Yes.
We're starting at 8:30. Do I have sentencings on that docket tomorrow?
No, I don't see any sentencings
Good.
at 8:30.
Perfect. 8:30. You guys be here. Don't make me wait. All right? I'm gonna
Okay.
adjourn. We'll set for February 11th at 8:30. Everybody's to bring any and all documentation. I'm gonna figure this out tomorrow. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.